Calibrating frame stuttering in Cyberpunk 2077 can enhance your gaming experience by ensuring smoother gameplay. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and reduce stuttering. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. This can improve performance and fix known issues. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Cyberpunk 2077 and navigate to the Settings menu. Low graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and disable features like motion blur and depth of field. Test different settings to find the right balance between visuals and performance. Step 3. Enable VSync or G-Sync. In the graphics settings, enable VSync if you experience screen tearing. If you have a G-Sync or FreeSync monitor, ensure it is enabled in both your monitor settings and the game settings to reduce stuttering. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows power settings to high performance. Disable background applications that may consume resources while playing. Additionally, ensure that your system is not running in battery saver mode if you are on a laptop. Step 5. Monitor system performance. Use tools like MSI Afterburner or Task Manager to monitor your CPU, GPU, and RAM usage while playing. Identify any bottlenecks and consider upgrading hardware if necessary, or further tweaking settings to improve performance. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce frame stuttering in Cyberpunk 2077 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!